Hi dear students, in this class we shall take the second main in the exercise 10.4. Yes, find the values of a for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. We already know the nature of the roots of quadratic equation. If delta equals 0, delta greater than 0, delta less than 0. If they have equal roots, so delta equals 0. By using that, we find value of k here. Solution. Consider first one, 2x squared plus kx plus 3 equals 0. This is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Here a equals 2, b equals k and c equals 3. If roots are equal, then delta is equal to 0. This is the condition. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to delta. Discriminant. It is discriminant. So put the values in the discriminant. B is k square minus 4 into a value is 2 and c value 3. Put in the place c 3. Delta equals 0. Roots are equal. K square minus into plus minus into plus minus 4 2s are 8 3s are 24 equals 0. K square equals 24 minus 24 transformed into RHS, it becomes plus 24. Now taking square root on both sides. If you are taking square root on both sides, square root can cancel. Here it is k. Here square root of 24, and this can be written as a perfect square and non-perfect square. K equals square root of 4 into 6. 4 is the perfect square and 6 is the non-perfect square. So k equals plus or minus square root of 4 this to root 6. Therefore, k equals plus 2 root 6 or k equals minus 2 root 6. Take down. Now we take second one. Write down kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equals 0. Solution. Now just rearrange the given equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Multiply these two, kx into x, kx square plus into minus kx into 2 kx plus 6 equals 0. Next, now consider the equation kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equals 0. Therefore, this is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Here a equals k, b equals minus 2k and c equals 6. If roots are equal, then delta equals 0. This is the given condition. Next, therefore b square minus 4ac equals delta. Put the values of a, b, c and delta in this formula. B value is k square minus 4 into b value is, put the values of a, b, c and delta in this discriminant. Okay, b value is minus 2k whole square minus 4 into a value is k and c value is 6 because delta is 0. Minus 2k whole square is minus 2k into minus 2k plus 4k square minus into plus minus into plus minus 6 for the 24k equals 0. Take out common. Here common is 4 and 4k is common. Write outside the bracket 4k. Inside the bracket it is remaining k and minus 4 6 are 24 and k already written outside the bracket. So inside the bracket only it is k minus 6 equals 0. Each term equals to 0. 4k equals 0 or k minus 6 equals 0. K equals 0 by 4. It is multiplied with k. 4 is multiplied with k. So it is transposed to denominator RHS. Denominator is RHS. Or k equals minus 6 transposed to 6. K equals 0 by 4 is 0. Or k equals 6. K value either 0 or 6. Okay, are you clear? Okay, write down. Next, take down third one. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. Solution. Here let us consider breadth be x because length is twice its breadth. We don't know breadth, so we take breadth be x. Let breadth of a mango grove be x meter. Therefore length of a mango grove equals 2x meter according to the question. Length of a mango grove is twice of the breadth. Here we have taken breadth as x, so length equals 2x. Next, area is given. area of rectangular mango grove equals 800 meter square. Next, we know the formula to find area of rectangle as it is equal to length into breadth. Therefore, consider area of rectangular mango grove equals length into breadth. Area of rectangular mango grove is 800 meter square. It is given. Length is equal to 2x and breadth is x. 800 equals 2x into x, 2x square. Transpose 2 into LHS, it is 800 by 2 equals x square. 2 ones are 2, 400 are 400 equals x square. If it takes square root on both sides, it is equal to root 400 and here it is x square and square root get cancelled. So root 400 equals plus or minus 20 equals x, or x equals plus or minus 20. X equals plus or minus 20. Therefore, x equals plus 20 or x equals minus 20. Here it is the measurement, so you consider only positive value. Therefore x equals plus 20 or x equals minus 20. Here measurement always be a positive. It is a positive value. So here we consider plus 20. Therefore, breadth of a rectangular mango grove equals x equals 20 meters, and therefore length of a rectangular mango grove equals 2x equals 2 into 20 equals 40 meter. Length is 20 meter and breadth is 20 meter and length is 40 meter. Okay, repeat once again. Breadth is 20 meter, length is 40 meter. Now we shall take down fourth one. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. I repeat once again. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. Solution. First, we have to consider first friend age be x. Then the now let age of first friend be x years. Now here we have to take the age of first friend be x. We have taken age of first friend be x years, and age of second friend equals 20 minus x years, because sum of their ages is 28 years. If you taken the sum of these two, 20 minus x plus x, here x get cancelled, sum is 20. Okay. Next, age of first friend. Age of first friend before 4 years. Before 4 years, age of first friend equals x minus 4 years. Before 4 years means 4 years ago. If the present age is x, in that we have to take the minus 4. And so it is x minus 4 years. Next, age of second friend before 4 years, because present age is 20 minus x. In that we subtract 4. 20 minus x minus 4 equals 20 minus 4, 16 minus x years. 20 minus x and 16 minus x. In that question, it is given the product of their ages in years was 48, 4 years ago. Therefore, the product of their ages before 4 years, was 48. Taking the product of here x minus 4 and 16 minus x. It is the age of first friend and second friend before 4 years. So x minus 4 into 16 minus x equals 48. Now consider the product. Taking the product, multiply these two, 16 into x, 16x, plus into minus x into x square. Next, minus into plus, minus 16 4s are 64, minus into minus, plus 4 into x, 4x equals 48. 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x transpose 48 into LHS, it is minus 48 equals 0. Right, first minus x square, and here 4x and 16x is plus 20x minus 64 minus 48 minus 112 equals 0. Multiply throughout by minus. Minus into minus plus x square minus into plus minus 20x minus into minus plus 112 equals 0. This is the required quadratic equation. This is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Ax square minus 20x plus 112 equals 0 is a quadratic equation. X square minus 20x plus 112 equals 0. This is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Here a equals 1, b equals minus 20 and c equals 120. 112. This will consider the discriminant. b square minus 4ac equals delta. Now put the values of a, b, c in the discriminant. B value minus 20 whole square minus 4 into a value is 1 and c is 112. Here it is equal to minus 20 whole square 400 minus 112 into 4 448, or this is equal to 400 minus 48 minus 48. This is delta. This is less than 0. If delta less than 0, roots are imaginary, there is no real roots. So the equation has no real roots. The equation x square minus 20x plus 112 equals 0 has no real roots. Roots are imaginary. Therefore, this situation is not possible. In the question, it is asked, is the following situation possible? No, it is not possible. Okay, take down. Next, last question. Is it possible to design a rectangular form of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? If so, find its length and breadth. Okay. Here we draw a rectangular figure. Let it be a rectangular form. A, B, C, D be a rectangular form. Let A, B, C, D be a rectangular form. Let length of a rectangular form be x meter, and let breadth of a rectangular form be y meter, and in that perimeter of a rectangular form is given. Perimeter of a rectangular form equals 80 meter. Perimeter of the rectangular form ABCD is AB plus BC plus CD plus AD, L plus D plus L plus B. Therefore, here AB plus BC plus in the figure AB plus BC plus CD plus DA equals 80 meter. AB is L plus BC, B plus CD, L plus DA, B is equal to 80. L plus L, 2L plus B plus B, 2B equals 80. Here 2L plus 2B equals 80. It is perimeter. Here we have taken the common factor 2. So 2 into L plus B equals 80. Next, take out 2 common. Here 2 into L plus B equals 80. L plus B equals 80. Transpose 2 into RHS. It is written in the denominator 80 by 2. 2 ones are 2 40s of L plus B equals 40. Here we transpose either L or B. Now I write L is equal to 40 minus B. Okay, we transpose anyone. Now is L. Next, area of rectangular quad, because it is given area of 400, it is L into B is equal to 400. L is 40 minus B into B equals 400. Now we have to simplify this one. Or in the place of x, better to take L. In the place of y, we take B. Length B L and breadth B B. So instead of length we take L, instead of breadth we take B. So finally we get L into B equals 400. L equals 40 minus B into B. Here it is L equals 40 minus B equals 400. Now simplify this one. Here 40 minus B into B equals 400. 40 into B, 40B plus into minus, minus B into B, B square equals 400 minus B square plus 40B transpose 400 into LHS, it is minus 400 equals 0, multiply throughout by minus, so minus into minus plus B square plus into minus minus 40B minus into minus plus 400 equals 0. Next, this is of the form. This is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Here a equals 1, b equals minus 40 and c equals 400. A equals 1, b equals minus 40, c equals 400. Now consider b square minus 4ac equals delta. Here this is the discriminant. Put the values in b square minus 4ac, minus 40 whole square minus 4 into a value is 1 and c is 400. Minus 40 whole square minus 40 into minus 40, it is 1600. Minus 4 16, 1600, it is equal to 0. Therefore, here b square minus 4ac equals 0. Here roots of the equation real and equal. Here roots of the equation are real and equal. So here roots are equal. So we have to find the roots by using the formula x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Put the values in the formula. X equals minus b minus of minus 40 plus or minus square root of b minus 40 whole square minus 4 into a value is 1 and c value is 400 by 2 into 1. X equals minus into minus plus 40 plus or minus square root of minus 40 whole square 1600 minus 4 into 400 1600 by 2 on the 2 x equals 40 plus or minus 1600 minus 1600 it is equal to 0 by 2. Okay, dear students, in the next step x equals 40 plus or minus square root of 0 by 2. X equals 40 plus or minus square root of 0 it is equal to 0 by 2. X equals, here there are two values, one is positive and another is negative. So x equals 40 plus 0 by 2 or x equals 40 minus 0 by 2. X equals 40 by 2 means 2 ones are 2 20s are, or x equals 40 minus 0 40 by 2 2 ones are 2 20s are. Therefore x, here x value is b, breadth equals 20, x equals b equals 20. Therefore breadth of a rectangular part equals, here it is equal to 20 meter, and the length equals 40 minus b equals 40 minus, instead of b we put 20, so 40 minus 20 equals 20 meter. Here breadth of a rectangular part is 20 meter and the length of a rectangular part is also a 20 meter. Okay, dear students, now this chapter is completed. We will meet with the next lesson. Thank you.